It's a very human kind of practice. I specialize in hair disorders. It happens to be my passion. Very few physicians in the United States specialize in hair disorders. Many of the patients come in and they say that the hair is shedding, falling out by the roots. But that's not a diagnosis. That is a sign that something else has been occurring, because the hair follicle is one of the fastest turning over cell lines in the body, next to bone marrow and GI. So anything that affects the body at any level, whether it be disease or even stresses, life stresses. I also like general derm. It's a very fascinating specialty, and it's something you can do something about, makes most people happy. And in fact, it's very important because if you recognize something on the skin, it can reflect a serious internal disease. And so we're very much attuned to that, looking and making sure that our patients don't have other things going on. And if they are, we then triage them out to the internist, the surgeon, whomever. What's really unique at the Cleveland Clinic is you have experts in every area. So, for instance, if I've diagnosed a lymphoma that presented itself on the scalp, I then have our oncology group that I can refer to, and they can very much specialize the therapy for that individual. I'm a very compassionate physician, but the other thing is, having come up in a family of physicians, I have a behavior that's a little bit different than some other physicians, because I learned it from knee-high on, how to deal with people, how to address their problems. And I just don't look at their one lesion that they present to me. I tend to be more thorough than that. I'm married to a very active orthopedic surgeon, and I have 5 grandchildren, all girls. And so taking care of my husband plus these grandchildren has been a very interesting time of my life. But more than that, we have boated for 30 years. We had a sailboat and we competed in boating. We skied, we hiked, we cross-country skied, we swam, and mountain climbed and traveled extensively. We've had a very, very interesting life.